Okay, this is the platform elevator at Podol'sk commuter train station in Podol'sk. It's a brand new Shanghai Mitsubishi. Two. Look, it's all messy. Capacity 1050 kilograms, 13 persons. Installed 2019. Definitely not 2020. Back down to one. It's all messy because they finished the reconstruction just today. It's all filthy. Here at one. Back two on the right. Dual indicators. Back on one. Bumper. Sticky bumper. The door closes right away. Cab view. Filthy, but nice fixtures. Unfortunately, the second platform elevator is not working. Yeah, look at this. It's all filthy. There it goes, and that's it.